Hello, my dear little ones. Good morning. How are you all today? Hope you all are doing well at your home. I am Neha ma'am. Welcome to the new session of English. You have learned alphabet A to Z in the previous sessions, right? Today we will be revising all the alphabet with their pictures. Are you all ready? Yes? Let's get started. This is capital A and this is small a. A for apple. A for apple. This is capital B. And this is small b. B for ball. B for ball. This is alphabet C. Capital C. Small c. C for carrot. C for carrot. This is alphabet D. Capital D. Small d. D for dog. D for dog. This is alphabet E. Capital E. Small e. E for egg. E for egg. This is alphabet F. Capital F. Small f. F for fan. F for fan. This is alphabet G. Capital G. Small g. G for gift. G for gift. This is alphabet H. Capital H. Small h. H for horse. H for horse. This is alphabet I. Capital I. Small I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. This is alphabet J. Capital J. Small j. J for joker. J for joker. This is alphabet K. Capital K. Small k. K for kite. K for kite. This is alphabet L. Capital L. Small l. L for lion. L for lion. This is alphabet M. Capital M. Small m. M for mango. M for mango. This is alphabet N. Capital N. Small n. N for noodles. N for noodles. This is alphabet O. Capital O. Small o. O for orange. O for orange. This is alphabet P. Capital P. Small p. P for peacock. P for peacock. This is alphabet Q. Capital Q. Small q. Q for quill. Q for quill. This is alphabet R. Capital R, small r. R for rocket. R for rocket. This is alphabet S. Capital S, small s. S for sofa. S for sofa. This is alphabet T. Capital T, small t. T for tiger. T for tiger. This is alphabet U. Capital U. This is small u. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. This is alphabet V. Capital V, small v. V for van. V for van. This is alphabet W. Capital W, small w. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. This is alphabet X. Capital X, small x. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. This is alphabet Y. Capital Y, small y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. This is alphabet Z. Capital Z, small z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Now let's sing a rhyme for the same. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next day morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Let's sing it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next day morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Hope you all have enjoyed this song. Now it's worksheet time. I will give you the worksheets for your practice work. This is your first worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to find the hidden picture by joining the dots from A to Z and color the picture. बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट में आपको अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z को ज्वाइन करना है और वो पिक्चर को कलर करना है. This is your second worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to find alphabet A to Z and help the bee to reach the hive. बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट में आपको अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z ढूंढने हैं और बी को उसके बीहाइव का रास्ता बताना है. Do complete the worksheet. Have a nice day. See you in the next session. Goodbye.